There's an airplane up there in the clouds. Like so. But we are rearranging here this table, and I think our friend here is concerned a little bit about what we're doing here. Let's see if I can pull this out a lot. This GoPro tripod comes with a tripod with it. Yeah. So we're gonna look for the dog and being afraid of noise or something. You're on the way here. Oh, there was a big screw, right into your table. I know. I know. What is more important? Did I fix your table or not? You need the table fixed? Oh, is that more important for you to play with? Out. So, obviously, she has other priorities here. That little one, she wants to play. Out. There she goes. So now I have to put the other strap on this side here. And I'm sure Lucy is gonna help. Screw. I think I use this one here. And then that's where we want it. On this side, wow. Oh. Here. And there, and then I just need to cut the overhang off. There's that. And then I have to do the same on the other side. Here. Don't know if that fits. Well, you gonna watch? You're always in the middle of it. So, there I have that one fixed. Oh, you need noise here is this dog hitting my tripod with her head. You are hitting it with your head. Who wants to play now? Woo.